Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a book that has helped thousands of people navigate the tricky world of retirement. Jane Bryant Quinn's How to Make Your Money Last. Now, some of you may have read the 2017 edition and you might be wondering, do I really need to pick up the new 2020 edition, or can I stick with what I've already read? This will be a short, straight-up discussion on the book. No fluff. Not some 20 or 30-minute video just to gain watch time. That's a great question, and it's one I had myself when the 2020 edition came out. After all, retirement planning advice doesn't change overnight, right? But here's the thing, Jane Bryant Quinn has added some really important updates that reflect some of the changes in the financial world and retirement landscape. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what those updates are so you can decide for yourself if upgrading to the 2020 edition is worth it. But here's where the 2020 edition really adds value. Jane Bryant Quinn has included several important updates that reflect the evolving world of retirement. Let's break them down. New insights on healthcare costs. In this edition, there's a deeper dive into healthcare expenses during retirement. Healthcare costs have only been rising, and Quinn provides updated strategies on how to budget for these expenses, including more info on Medicare and long-term care. If healthcare costs are a big concern for you, this new content is crucial. Revised tax strategies. There's also an expanded section on how tax laws have changed since 2017. With new laws like the Secure Act coming into play, retirement accounts and required minimum distributions, RMDs, have been updated. This chapter is really important if you want to make sure your tax strategy is up to date and aligned with the latest rules. Managing your money in a low-interest world. Interest rates have been lower than ever, and Quinn addresses how to adjust your investment strategy to deal with this new reality. If you're counting on bonds or savings accounts to carry you through retirement, this section gives you fresh advice on how to rethink your strategy. There's also a new emphasis on being more flexible with your retirement plan. Quinn gives advice on how to adjust your spending and withdrawals during tough economic times, like recessions or downturns. She's added more real-world examples to help retirees see how these strategies play out. So, back to the big question. Should you buy the 2020 edition if you've already read the 2017 version? Here's my honest take. If you're someone who's already comfortable with your retirement plan and feel like you've got a good handle on Social Security, your investments, and your spending strategy, then maybe you don't need to upgrade. The core lessons haven't changed. But if you're concerned about things like healthcare costs, or if you're wondering how to deal with new tax laws, or if the low-interest environment is throwing off your investment plans, then this edition has a lot of new, actionable advice that could really make a difference. These updates are designed to help you stay on top of the latest challenges in retirement planning. So here are the 3 big reasons to consider getting the 2020 edition of How to Make Your Money Last. 1. Updated healthcare and Medicare advice. Rising costs and new strategies for budgeting for healthcare and retirement. 2. Revised tax strategies. New tax laws, including updates from the Secure Act and how they impact your retirement accounts. 3. Strategies for low interest rates. If you're relying on bonds or fixed income investments, Quinn has new ideas on how to adapt in this low interest world. In the end, it all comes down to how confident you feel about your retirement plan. The 2020 edition of How to Make Your Money Last is full of useful updates for today's retirees. But if you've already got the 2017 edition and feel comfortable with your strategy, you might be fine. Either way, retirement planning is something we should all keep refining as we get closer to that big day. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Let me know in the comments whether you've read either edition and what you think. Also, you might want to check out the link down below for the video on the 2017 edition. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content on personal finance and retirement planning. Let's keep working toward financial peace of mind together.